Hi, and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. The next recommended process, according to Chiron's Light Vortex Astronomy process, is to do some local normalization on our registered files. So we're going to go to Processes, All Processes, Local Normalization. So we're going to add our registered files. Let's go back up here to Aligned, which is where I put those. We're going to select them all. We're going to go back to our reference image, which was 7C on 110, 235, 918. He recommends leaving the scale at 128, so we will do that. We're going to set our output directory. We want to keep it in the same directory as our files, the files that we opened up. We want to keep all that data together, so we're going to select that file, or that folder rather, and then we're going to click Apply Global. We're going to let this run, and we'll be back when it completes. Alright, that has completed. It said, I'm assuming that's 30 minutes. Sure seemed longer than that. I have to go back and look at the times, but it's all completed. So we can create our process icon. Move that up over there, and we can close this out. And next we'll be stacking the images in the next chapter. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and as always, clear skies.